Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this video. First, I would like to ask for you guys to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna make a quick video. I got a lot of errands to run today, but I need you to listen to this video very closely because it probably end up getting deleted. Check this out. The longest serving president in U.S. history was Franklin D. Roosevelt, FDR. He served from 1933 to 1945. So he served 12 years. And on his third term, a year or two later, he passed away. So he served 12 years. Now, it's possible for another president to serve 10 years. And who would that be? But let me explain to you how this works. You got the president. If something happened to the president, the vice president take over. If something happened to the vice president, the Speaker of the House take over. So here go how this could work. Why in the world you think they tried their best to impeach Trump twice? They did everything they thought possible, but they did not succeed with it. So if they would have succeeded with it, he would not be able to run for Congress or president again. So here go how Trump could serve 10 years as president. Trump can run for Congress in 2022 in Florida. If he wins the seat and the Republicans take over the House of Representatives, he could become the Speaker of the House. So that would knock Nancy out. So then his first act would be impeaching Joe and Kamala. If it works, he finishes out the remainder of Biden's term and he could still run for president in 2024. So there you go. And maybe he running for president and he win, he can elect Candace Owens as his vice president. So Trump and Candace Owens in 2024. So there you go. He would have served 4 years, then he would have served 2 years, then he would have served another 4 years, so that's 10 years. So what you guys think? So I'm gonna go over this really quickly again, and I got to go run some errands. Trump can run for Congress in Florida in 2022. If he wins the seat and the Republicans take over the House of Representatives, he could become the Speaker of the House. Then his first act could be impeaching Joe and Kamala. If it works, he finishes out the remainder of Biden's term and can still run for president in 2024 with Candace Owens as his vice president. All right, guys, let me get out of here and enjoy life and go drink a little beer, eat some crawfish, because you only live once. All right. Thank you and have a great day.